So in this video, we will understand what is funnel chart. Typically, a funnel chart is used in the marketing context wherein you have a funnel of data. So think about it, you have a sales campaign wherein you have sent email to lot of people. Out of this, maybe some people will open, out of that some people will click, then some people will take action of buying the product. So what will happen is the number of people will keep on reducing, and it can be best shown using a funnel chart. I have a sample data of a sales campaign. So here you have the promotional email sent. So we have sent email to 5,000 people. Out of that, 1,000 people have opened it. It's a very high open rate. Typically you will not get this, but you can get if you have a good subscriber base which are engaged. Then the link clicked, you have given a free ebook download, how many of them have downloaded the ebook, then you have a trial enrollment in the course, and finally how many people have paid for the course. So you can see out of 5,000 only 20 people have bought it. So how do we do it? We can select this data, we can go to insert, and in this insert we can go to the hierarchical chart. So you have funnel. So if I click on this funnel, it is created like a funnel. So 5,000, then 1,000, then 300, etc. But one thing you will find that you are not able to see the number for ebook download, trial enrollment, etc. because these are very less percentage. So you can see only 1% of the trial enrollment, only 0.4%. So it does not show you this data. So what we can do is, since we know the text functions, we can use this promotional email sent header and concatenate with the numbers. So we can concatenate with this number. So if I double click, I know this data 5,000 here, and I click here, I know this data. So instead of using this column D, I will use column C for this axis. So I'll say select data and I will say edit. So I will not use this one, I will use this one. Okay, 5,000, 1,020, and you can remove this from here. So this is one example of funnel chart, and you can say marketing, or let's say course campaign funnel. Very good in understanding how much is your click-through rate, etc.